The first thing I'm going to teach you is Ujjayi breathing, otherwise known as oceanic breathing. What I want you to do is take a very deep inhale through your nose and a deep exhale through your mouth. Yes. Really sigh it out and make a ha sound, as if you're fogging up a mirror. So deep inhale and exhale. And this time, when you're exhaling, close your mouth but keep that ha sound internally. The benefits of Ujjayi breathing or oceanic breath is that your mind focuses on the noise that you're creating internally rather than all the things that you may be worried about outside, and also helps bring more oxygen into your body.